Hello and welcome to SSD Educational Classes, and I am your instructor Kashish Mehra. Today I am going to tell you about the characteristics, objectives and importance of management. Let's see what are the characteristics of management. The first characteristics is management is a goal oriented. Second, management is a group activity. Third, management is universal. Fourth, management is a continuous process. Fifth, management is intangible. Sixth, management is dynamic. Seventh, management is situational. Let's study in detail. The first characteristic says that management is a goal oriented. It means that management is a work done to attain certain goal. It is a purposeful activity. Every activity is done to accomplish certain objective. It means we are doing management to complete our task or any other activity. In the second point, management concern activity. It means management is concerned with activity. Management is always done by the group of people for certain goal or task. The definition of management also emphasizes on getting things done through people. It means management is nothing but completing our tasks with the help of people. It indicates that management is conducted to carry on activity of people in a proper teamwork. In the third point, it is said that management is universal. It means it is applicable to all the level in each and every work. This is important feature of management. It means that management is applicable to all level. Management cover all the areas wherever, if we can say that we are doing our work in our home or any other company, or if we are studying anything, management is needed in each and every work. So it is said that management is a universal applicable. In the fourth characteristics, management is a continuous process. It means that if we are completing our one task, it does not mean management has completed. For doing another task, we always have to do management. So it is known as management is continuous process. Management is done constantly throughout the management is required at every level of the activity. For running our business smoothly, we need management for each and every task. Management is intangible. Intangible means we are not able to touch. Management is a services. We can't touch, like we touch our goods, but we can't touch management. Even though management is inevitable in every collective human activities, it cannot be seen as an object. Management is not an object, but it is a service, or it is a thing that we can't see but we can feel it. It can be experienced by the result. For example, if our profit increases, our employees and employers relationship, it is also known as management. So it cannot be seen, but it can be felt. In the sixth point, it is said that management is dynamic. Management has changed to suit the changing condition. It means dynamic means changeable according to the condition. So we can say that as the condition changes, management also have to change their policies, our decisions. Management is not static, but it is dynamic in character. So it is changeable according to the condition. Whereas in the seventh point, it is said that management is a situational. Managerial decisions are taken to handle the particular situation. No doubt they are based on the principles, theories and techniques, but they are applicable in certain situations. It means in managerial decisions, we see that manager take their decisions according to the situation. What does manager do? Manager manage each and everything, each and every activity in the organization, but they manage according to the situation. So it is said that management is a situational. It changes according to the changing conditions. Let's see the objectives of management. The first objective says that earn profit for business, which means that we do management for earning the profit. The main purpose of management is to earn profit and run the smooth business. Whereas in the second point, it is written that to get maximum result with minimum effort. What is the main objective of management? Doing minimum effort and getting maximum result. If we do management properly, we will get maximum result with minimum effort or in minimum cost. If we do management, it will increase our efficiency, our capability of doing the work. It means the main objective of management is to increase the efficiency of doing work. In the fourth point, it is written that to coordinate the activities of various departments. Management is done to coordinate To coordinate means bringing efforts of each and every department in the main purpose. It means to coordinate the various activity we need management. To interact with other outsiders, not only insiders, management is done for the smooth running of business, management is done with outsiders also. So to interact with outsider, we need management. To fulfill social responsibility, it means there are some responsibilities of businessmen towards the society. We need management there also. So main objectives of management is to fulfill the society's need and requirements. What is the importance of management? If we do management, what will happen? It will help to achieve our goal easily and smoothly. In second point, it is said that ensure optimum use of resources. If we do management properly, there will be no wastage of human resources, material, men, powers, finance, and any types of resources. All the resources are fully utilized if we are doing management properly. Motivate people. If everything is managed properly, people automatically get motivated to do their work properly. Establish a sound organization. If there is proper management, each and every person would like to work in the sound organization. There will be proper management, there will be each and everything will be perfect, so employees will be get motivated to work in that organization. Coordinate activity, as we have seen earlier also, management helps to coordinate all the activities. If we do management properly, all the department will get coordinated properly. Helps in the economic development, as each and everything will be perfect. Management help to develop the economic development. It will helps in economic development. Fulfill social objective. If there is proper management, we can fulfill our social responsibility properly, and the social objectives are also fulfilled properly. So these are the importance of management. Hope you have understood each and every point. If there is any doubt, you can send me in the comment box. Thank you.